Okay, if you haven't watched the video of how to create automatic messages, you can watch it on our channel. And now we are going to understand how to send automatic messages with files. First of all, we need to import these files here. We are in our widget, so go to Message Templates, then create a message template, any name, and then drop file here. It can be a picture, it can be text file, any text file. Also, you can add MP3 file, but mind that WhatsApp doesn't allow to add any text with MP3 file. So if you will have any text in your automatic messages, it won't be shown to your clients. It will show only MP3 file. So you can decide yourself. But we are going to send message with a picture. So save it. Okay, we saved our file. Then go to board again and automate. Adding automate. Let's create it when item created. So it will be again when a person types us first. And then do this. Do what? We need to choose from two of these. We need to choose this message with file. Choose it. Okay, it's loading. Still loading. Message. You need to write the message here. Can be any text that you want to be connected to the file. Done. Then choose the file from here. I have all these files and my connected number is this. Create automation. Okay, it's created and now we wait while somebody will text us. Close it. You will see a new message right here. We're just waiting for it. Here it is. Let's look how it. Okay, go to the widget. Here you can see that a person typed us and the message has been sent. It's a picture and a text.